Hello, gorgeous people. Welcome back to my life. I hope you all are doing good. Today, you all are going to join me with my dinner preparations, and I'm so excited to show you all what I'm going to prepare today. I'm making a simple chicken fry, khatti dal with some brown rice. So, let's get started. First, I'm After adding everything, now I'm adding 3 to 4 glasses of water for 2 cups of dal. Mixing it well, and now it's ready to cook. So I'm cooking it on the medium flame till it is cooked. I will start preparing the brown rice. I washed 2 glasses of brown rice and transferring it to the electric cooker. For 2 glasses of rice, I am using 5 glasses of water. Brown rice requires double the amount of water than the normal rice. Now let's start cooking the chicken. First I start cooking it on the low flame so that it doesn't get burned. Now I leave the chicken like this and check in between. Cooking it on the low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. I cook the chicken without closing the lid, so I take time to cook the chicken properly. You can see here water is released. Now I am adding curry leaves, chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. After adding, mixing it well to cook. Dal is cooked, so let's check it. Now I am using a hand blender to blend the dal properly. Instead of hand blender, you can even use this. But I am using this only to save the time. As I am making khatti dal, I am adding tamarind water to the dal. Adding salt as per my taste. As you can see, dal is so thick here, I need to dilute it before boiling. Adding chili powder. Now let's check the chicken. The water has been evaporated. Now I am diluting the thick dal with some tamarind water and the normal water. Now let's boil this dal. I am boiling this on the medium flame. My baby is watching Choo Choo TV there. All the water has been evaporated and chicken is also cooked well. I am mixing in between so that it doesn't get burnt. By mixing, I am making sure the chicken is getting cooked evenly. It looks great and nicely cooked. Now I am gonna increase the flame and nicely roast it. At this time you should not leave the stove. Mixing it well, and now it's ready to eat. I'm switching off the flame. I will show you how it looks after it's served. I'm so excited to show you all. I'm garnishing it with some coriander leaves. Wow, this looks amazingly delicious. What do you say, guys? Now let's go to dal preparations. Dal has come to boil. I'm adding little coriander leaves to it. You can see the other bowl. I'm heating oil in that bowl for seasoning or tadka. Now I'm adding cumin seeds. After adding cumin seeds, I added mustard seeds and let it flutter. Red dried chilies are must, but I do not have that, so I did not use it. I am adding chopped garlic. It gives nice flavor to dal. I will fry it till it gets brown. Now I am adding curry leaves. I love adding lot of curry leaves. I added little coriander leaves as well. Mixing it well. Now I am adding slit green chilies. Mixing well. As you can see, it's done. I'm switching off the flame. For next procedure, you need a lid which fits this bowl well. I'm taking a big spoonful of dal and pouring into this bowl and closing the lid. This is called bagarna in Urdu. You must be careful here because oil will be sprinkling everywhere. Once the hissing sound is stopped, pour the another spoon of dal into the bowl. By closing the lid, dal gets good flavor. Now transferring the entire dal to the bowl. Finally, preparation of khatti dal is done. This is the final result. Today we have made khatti dal, chicken fry and brown rice. I hope you all enjoyed my simple dinner vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now and do not forget to press the bell icon. I hope to see you soon with some interesting videos. Till then, bye and take care.